Finding the right financial planner as you're starting out is very difficult. There's a lot of options, there's a lot of cost to it, and a lot of you don't know where to turn. So this video, I want to try and give you some direction and some options on where to start, how to get saving. A lot of you have analysis paralysis and you don't start saving because you don't know where, how, and you just don't know who to turn to. So this video, we're going to get you moving in the right direction, get you saving, get you teamed up with the right professional to make the right choices moving forward. Over the past 20 years I've been in the financial planning industry, things have changed. And nowadays when people are looking for help on the investment side, on planning, how to pay down debt, all that kind of stuff, A, there's more options, but B, it's a bit more complicated because most banks, financial planners, they kind of have that asset minimum threshold. So if you don't have $50,000, $250,000, $500,000, it's tough to get a financial planner that's going to do right by you. And so if you're starting out trying to save a few $100s a month, maybe you're just looking to pay off debt, where do you turn to? And as much as I don't maybe like the banks are sometimes the best place. If you're just starting out, you can go in there. They're collecting fees probably off you on other accounts, mortgages, whatever you have. And so they're able to offer you quote unquote free advice. Now, is it free? Absolutely not. But you can walk in there, you can talk to someone, and you get a bit of advice and direction. Another great option to look at is if you have a group RRSP or savings plan through your work, a lot of these companies now offer free advisory services, and it's actually a good service. So Manulife, Sun Life, a lot of these companies ask your HR director to say, is there an advisory firm? So I know Manulife's a good example. They have a team that you can call at Manulife, and they're planners that will help give you some direction. Again, free of charge. It's built into your group RRSP plan. So if you do have an RRSP plan, check into that. Again, many companies offer that, not just Manulife, but many companies offer that. So look into that. Again, it's non-biased third-party advice that can get you moving in the right direction. If you're looking for more kind of debt and management and looking to get a mortgage, talk to a mortgage broker. Mortgage broker is going to be a great resource on looking at your overall financial picture, tell you how healthy you are if you're looking to get a mortgage. Those are the first places to look at. Again, our younger clients that are looking to get a mortgage for the first time, they need to think about what they can afford. And the first place to go is not your realtor to look at what houses are out there. It's your mortgage broker to figure out what kind of financial health you're in and how much of a home you can afford. Now, there are some financial advisors that are also mortgage brokers. So the mortgage broker that I use personally is also a CFP. So they're a financial planner. He's a financial planner by trade, but is in the mortgage broker business for 25 plus years. So he kind of takes a planning / mortgage broker approach to it, which I really like for myself and for my clients. Another option if you're just starting out is looking at these DIY programs like a Wealthsimple or a Questrade, where you can kind of do your own investing, which a lot of you are looking to do. Some of them have advisory platforms or support staff that you can phone out and get basic general guidance. And again, all of these suggestions to this point are very basic suggestions, basic commentary, but they will get you moving in the right direction. You're better calling an agent at Wealthsimple and getting some basic support versus, again, analysis paralysis where you're moving in no direction and you're not saving anything and maybe you're going more into debt. The last option I want to recommend is probably the best option, but there's a bit more cost to it. Hire a fee only or fee for service financial advisor. And we'll put a link below to that. There's a few of them out there. We do fee for service advising, but more for pre-retirees and retirees. But there's firms out there that will do fee for service advising to the younger generation. Now, how do they charge? Typically, it's going to be hourly or a set fee. So they might say, look, we'll do, based on what you're looking for, we'll do kind of the whole comprehensive plan and show you how to pay off debt and save up for your kids' education and your first mortgage, all that kind of stuff. It'll be a set fee, or they're going to just charge you an hourly fee and maybe it's an ongoing service that you're looking to operate with them. So it all depends on what you're looking for. But again, those hourly or consulting fee advisors are definitely out there, and they're a great resource because they're going to put a plan together for you unbiased from selling you a product. And for most of you watching this video, that's unfortunately what you're falling into. You're talking to an advisor at a big financial institution and they're recommending stuff and product, right? Yeah, you should save in your RRSP and here's the mutual fund you should invest in, because that's how they get paid. So make sure you understand whoever you're talking to How do they get compensated? Are they selling you their product? Like if you walk into ABC Financial Co. and they're selling you ABC Financial Co. product, that's probably a bit of a red flag, right? Is that really the best product for you, or are they told they have to sell that product? Always look at, does the product on your investment statement the same as the name on the door when you walk in? And if those line up, there might be a bit of a conflict there. And I've always had that issue with our industry, and it hasn't gone away. The big financial institutions still kind of roll the dice here with us, but you can kind of do your due diligence on this and find the right fit for you. So again, if you're saying, well, Adam, I can't really afford an hourly fee or an advisor that way, check with your group RSP plan, go into your bank, just get some basic information, get moving in the right direction. Maybe you have, a network like this where it's YouTube, a Facebook group, where you can kind of have that chat and communication back and forth. Again, leave a comment below. If you have questions, leave a comment. Have other viewers help you out. We'll jump in here once in a while and help out with comments and questions as well. We're here, we do these videos to support our viewers, you guys. So we appreciate it, and hopefully this video will help you move in the right direction to saving, to paying off debt, to making better financial decisions, and ultimately finding an advisor or planner that you can partner with to make better decisions moving forward.